How's it going, guys? I'm going to show you how with only 2 to 5 hours a day, you can add some income in your pocket. You can add some education in your current business, or you can walk away from your corporate America job altogether. Right here, I'm showing you some, income proof that just came in, and this is from the community. We have 7.8 thousand members, and these are people from all over the world. So you see there's people building their social media platforms. You're going to see some income proof, no income guarantees. And you see these are recent. This is yesterday. And these are everyday people. These are people that were in amazing jobs and they walked away. These are people who, were laid off after, decades being at their corporate job, and they came in and started getting results online. And remember, this business model is digital marketing and it's all online. So we're going to hop in. I'm going to show you how, within 2 to 5 hours a day, how you can do this. So here's the ecosystem. Usually when you do any business online, you have to promote on your social media. A lot of people, are posting, either sharing testimonials. A lot of people are just showing you, hey, posting a lot of how to make money online content, how to make this X amount of money. But I'm going to show you the proper way to do it before you even get started. And I'm going to give you a value bomb after this, so you're going to get some free education on how this works. So you want to do power content. Power content is number one. Power content is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm giving you education on how I'm going to get you to, earn some extra money 2 to 5 hours. So a specific problem I want to solve by the end of this training. And you want to have content that people can implement right now. So this content is going to be whatever your product is, or your industry is, and what it can do for other people. So the biggest thing that you're going to have to know is your target audience. Your target audience, I'm speaking to people who are overworked and looking for a career change, or they just need some extra money on the side. They want a better lifestyle for their family. So that's who I'm speaking to. So a lot of my content is going to be, educational first. It's just going to be education. How can I solve this problem of people getting to their goals? So once you know that audience, the next is what we mentioned. You want to solve problems. So I want to show you guys how with only 2 to 5 hours a day, you can start implementing this strategy and getting money. So when you're in the digital marketing space, you're going to have all sorts of education on how to use social media, guys. So when you're making this power content, you can do it free organic, but in my case, I'm running an ad for only $2 to $7 a day. So I'm going to run ads to this power content, and I'm going to use my target audience. I'm going to type this into my ad, and it's going to target exactly. I want male and women 25 to 54 years old that likes digital marketing, that wants to have a small business as well. So we're going to run that to that audience. And then after we start getting engagement, it's going to start building our warm market. And when we have our warm market, what we're going to do is run our power offers to this same audience. So now I'm going to get more specific. Hey, I have a digital product that is this amount of money, and it's going to show you exactly what I'm showing you in this video. It's going to show you how to use this ecosystem and start earning this type of money per sale. And we're going to run that to that target audience. And just like the power content, when people watch 25% of this video, it's going to bring them into what we call a warm audience. They're familiar with us. It's going to bring them into our metrics of a warm audience. They've been watching our videos. So the last step to this ecosystem is simply to run that warm audience into our retargeting ads. So here you're going to see the same stuff that we just mentioned, but you're just going to have a follow up, but I'm going to be in your face even more. You ever click on an ad and watch the video and you just keep seeing that ad? That's what the retargeting ad is. And while we're doing all this, this is going to be running at the same time. We're going to also be posting our regular content. You can also, put some money behind these reels as well to, get them out to the public. So you're not stuck posting free videos and hoping they go viral. Now you have a real strategy. And this is how in only 2 to 5 hours a day, you can start earning money with digital products. So I'm going to give you a value bomb where I break this down even more. All you have to do is drop a line in the comment section, and I'm going to send this to you guys. And you're going to get my 2 downloads on exactly what I showed you in another free training and access to my digital products.